Joe Blaster!
Yo! Oh my God, let's go!
Joe Blaster tweet!
Yo, with the hookup. Shout out Joe Blaster. You guys rock.
Oh, there's 2 boxes.
Yo.
Whoa.
Oh
all
my
these are
God.
all 4?
Yo,
what the hell?
Dude, they hooked it up. So sick. That was the most genuine reaction.
What is that? Oh my God.
There's gotta be. They send us.
Holy cow.
This is the best. This is one of everybody's favorite things to do here. This couldn't have come at a better time.
This is the ultimate care package you would ever dream of. Oh my God. Another box of perps. This is insane. Yo.
Joe Blaster, thank you guys. This doesn't get any cooler than this.
Here we are, Drift Mansion, baby, and shout out to Gel Blasters for sending us the sickest care package. We are stoked.
Going down tonight. So carts, mayhem, guns, Gel Blasters, Drift Mansion, and JJ's bachelor party.
We were already lighting each other up with these last night with Johns that he has here already, and now we have the sickest collection of dual wield tonight.
You guys mob, but we're here right now.
This is gonna be fun.
No, no, no.
Do it.
Ah!
Oh my God.
Gel Blaster on the cowl.
Your firewall is more like an on firewall.
Yeah.
That was sick. Thank you, Gel Blaster.
So rad.
Gel Blaster, that was so rad, and that was really cool way to create something fun. So definitely don't recommend that at home. Definitely make sure you have eye protection or a helmet, because the helmet definitely helped. Hell yeah! Time to go down!
What's happening?
My tie-dye invisible onesie is not working. Oh my god, I've got them in my drink.
Gel Blaster's the best.
Yo! Are you serious?
This is mayhem. Is he hitting us? I can't really tell if he's coming after us or not. I've been blasted so bad. How's this ambush working out, huh? Yeah, my chin keeps getting them. I confiscated a gun and then I confiscated a gun and shot him with it, but lost my pod in the meantime.
I haven't had a weapon all night. I pulled over to get a bag of chips.